Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get 5 to 10 leads per day. Alright, with this lead source. It's called Herculist. Alright, so I'm going to go over a few things with you today, and my best advice to you is not stay a free member for too long. It is free to join, but I do recommend upgrading to a lifetime gold member. Okay, and I'll show you the reason why. Okay, so you could do a lot more things like this ad mailer here. You could send daily emails to a lot of people. Well, the whole list on the Herculist platform, and I'll show you how to do that here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to I have pre-made ads and email swipes here. So this is a program called Java. I'm sorry, not Java, but Jarvis Bot AI. Okay, you could generate different content and different emails to send out daily. All right, so I'm just gonna set this up. I have this pre-made due to time constraints on the video. Right, so we're going to go back to Hercules here. We're going to continue to add mailer. Okay, so we're just going to wait for that to load up. And then you could send this to over 200,000 people per day. All right, so we're going to click on copy and paste. All right, and then we're going to add a subject line. Let's see. All right. We're going to just put one in on the fly. So let's see. So we're going to put share your opinion. Okay. And get paid. Right. So what we're going to do next is we're going to get our URL. Okay. So we're going to go into leadsleap, and I do have videos on leadsleap as well. So we're going to go down here to get my link tracker. Okay. And then we're going to just use this one here. All right. So we're going to copy and paste that as well too. Test URL. All right. And then say click here to join today. All right, so we have that, and then we're gonna send this out to we're gonna send out an email blast right now. So we're just gonna submit ad. Okay, so it says right here, ad successfully submitted to over 269,254 members. Okay, and I could show you some results with that I've been doing over the past couple months. Okay, so we're gonna go over to the program I'm advertising, which is webtalk. Okay, so let me just refresh that. Okay, so here are some of the results I'm getting from that. Okay, so I have over 413 total members, 22 this month. So referral activity, they've been gradually increasing their activities. Okay, so there is a lot of income potential with this program as well. If you want to hear more about this program or join Herculist, go ahead and click on the link below. And thank you for viewing my channel, YouTube. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.